pulley itself is quite flimsy, so to press it on, it can actually get pretty damaged. Your centre section is quite strong, so someone's come up with this design. This just threads into the front, the snout of the pump.
They're all the same size thread.
Pretty much, yeah. Yeah. So once your inner's threaded in, your adapter, which we're using that one there obviously now, you slide that up to the front of the snout. That gives it a nice firm base. And then you widen your outer out, which pushes up against the pulley. And then it's just a matter of turning the nut either way, and that will just thread that on and push that pulley onto the pump. Yeah. Yeah. That's just a quick, simple tool.
So that's power steering on.
Power steering, yeah. Power steering pulley installer.